Fleadh Cheoil always attracts the individual busker entertainer. Tim Scanlon, an Australian from Melbourne, works harder than most. He plays harmonica, guitar, the cymbals, a bass drum, and still manages to do a few steps. Tim was one of the many visitors to Sligo for the Fleadh. Are you having fun here in Sligo?
Yes, it's very interesting for us. It is just gorgeous that the whole city is music. This is what we've never seen before.
So I'm from France and originally actually, and I love the music here. Really good music, like really enjoying this festival with also traditional music going on. So good crack, thank you.
My favorite part are the small groups in the small streets, the spontaneous things, and the dancers. I like the dancers.
The energy and just the community, it's just beautiful. It's been absolutely fabulous.
And what are you enjoying about it so far? What's the best part?
Just the music everywhere. You kind of walk into one, or you hear one bit of music and you flow down the street and then you hear another completely different bit of music, mellow, and it's just the atmosphere and kind of good crack all around. It's like, this is music festivals before music festivals were invented. This is where it started, like, so.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What's special about the Fleadh then?
The freedom of it, you know, so that everybody just roaming around and playing music where they want to.
Is this your first Fleadh?
It's my Quigger Fleadh.
The Cougar Fleadh.
Quigger.
So who's in there agus Cavan who mai?
Cavan 3 uair agus Derry.
And how long have you been learning Irish?
Oh, since I came here.
Okay, so
It's about 4.5 years.
would you like to play a tune for us? I certainly didn't expect to find an Irish-speaking whistle player, Richard Suave from London, on my walk around.
Let's move back indoors now and sit in on a duet from Deirdre and Aoife Granville from Dingle. They're playing polkas, Johnny Leary's and Finbarr Dwyer's. A polka selection there from the talented Granville sisters from Dingle, Deirdre and Aoife.
Togetherness is a Fleadh Cheoil when it's raining. People pull in together and you never know who you might meet. I've just discovered we have a few dancers. Roscommon, Connemara. I have no idea what you're going to do. There's a slope in front of you, but go for it. Batter the pavement.
1, 2, 3, go.
An impromptu dance there that we should probably title Sheltering from the Rain. Well done, Aoife and Anya Griffin from Roscommon and Aoife O'Neill from Galway.
Since the the Fleadh Cheoil began over 60 years ago, the Ceilidh Band competition has been a feature of everyone. The last time an overseas band won was 23 years ago when the St Colm Ceilidh Band from St Albans took the title right here in Sligo. This year, the bands who qualified from Ireland, Britain and America will perform in front of a very large and very keen audience. The Ceilidh Band tradition in Britain still continues to be a strong one. It was great to see St Roch's Irish Millstones Band from Glasgow taking 3rd place. Near to home and great local favourites, the Knocknashee Ceilidh Band, representing the Paddy Caloran Cultus branch in Sligo, took 2nd place with a fine performance. On stage now, the Knockmore Ceilidh Band representing Boha Cultus branch in County Fermanagh. A quality performance from County Fermanagh, the Knockmore Band.
1st place, Knockmore.
Great excitement, not just for the Knockmore Band members, but also for their many supporters who followed the group to the All-Ireland finals. It was an emotional win for band members who came so close last year in Derry. Maggie Maguire, the leader of the Knockmore Band, accepted the trophy from Cultus President Vincent Jordan.
Maggie, congratulations, what a win. What does it mean to you and the group to win first prize?
Do you know what, these guys have worked so hard over the last number of years, it's unbelievable. Like all the people, like even our families, our friends. And
you came so close last year. Was it hard to come back again and do all that practice?
It was, but the determination was there and the guys really wanted to do it. And I you know what, they're the best bunch of people I know. We literally grew up together playing, and you know what, the best. I can't stress how much they
Well, congratulations.
Thank
You
you
can go
so
and
much.
celebrate with your family. Super news. Well done, well done.
And well they might celebrate. No shortage of talent outdoors either. Meet Fleadh regulars Brian Fitzgerald on banjo, Lorna Davy Fitzgerald and Ned Kelly on accordion, Katie Boyle and Claire Quinn playing fiddle, and John McCartan on guitar. They're playing jigs including The Hill on the Road. Hole in the Hedge, ending this lively jig set and indeed ending this week's programme. So good luck from Sligo Fleadh Cheoil. We'll be back same time next week.